If you're working in collaboration with others and you expect that, say for the sake of argument, a base plan might change over the life of a project, you might be working with an architect who, although their concepts are right, they'll change their design as they work through their series of working drawings. You want to get started on your garden design. One way of handling that is to use external references. In this case, I'm doing the garden design here using tracking, putting blocks of planting down at a 45-degree angle in this zone between the boundary and the building. Now my architect tells me that they have a new update of that base plan. So since I've placed the base plan as an external reference, let me just show you how that is done. It's draw and insert block, and you'll notice if you click on the blocks tab here, up will come a new dialog box, and here add external reference. So I'm adding this as an external reference. I've called it xref1, and I'll close from there and cancel. So this block here, xref1, I can simply delete it. I can hit the delete key and do it that way, or almost certainly do it through the through that block that you just saw, that insert block. But let's just hit the delete key. It's gone. All we now need to do is go draw and insert block and blocks. Still sees our original one, which is still sitting there ready to go if we need it. Here we go. Here's a delete option here. So I'll say let's delete all unused blocks, and in fact didn't disappear in that little one there. We need to look at that, but that's not the point that I'm trying to make. We just say add from file, and it's going to a jobs folder at the moment, and I'll have to, if you bear with me a moment, just go into the using GardenCAD course and into the exercises folder where I've set a folder called external references. So I just pick up xref2 and close. xref2 is now being picked up and will come into our environment here, and we can simply attach it as a backdrop. So life becomes relatively easy. You'll note here that some time is being taken as this happens. So we should now see xref2 in our list, and we say OK. The reason that a fair amount of time was taken there is that these are very big. They're 4 megabyte files coming from the architect, and I'll show you later how to reduce that file size and just get the elements of what we need. But I digress. It's now asking us for an insertion point. We just type 0, 0, and in it comes. Can you see we've brought in the updated version of the base plan? There's a lot you could do to organize your external references much better than I've done here. I've just made a quick movie to show you the concept. We'll spend a little bit of time in a moment showing you how to clean those external references. The drawings that come from others often tend to be very unwieldy, and we need to clean them up.